Okay, so here comes the next paragraph. After conquest of Makkah, when everybody gathered in Khana Kaaba, gathered mean इकट्ठे हुए. Conquest of Makkah, conquest is noun and conquer is a verb. Conquest, fatah करने के बाद. Gather mean जमा हुए in Khana Kaaba. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the people of Quraysh, पूछा, what do you expect at my hands? तो मुझसे क्या तवक्का करते हो? We will be translating this sentence idiomatically by saying तो मुझसे क्या तवक्का करते हो? They all shouted in one voice, shouted चिल्लाए, kindness and pity, मेहरबानी और रहम, gracious brother, gracious nephew. Gracious is adjective and kindness and pity, these two words are noun. They were not disappointed, वो मायूस नहीं हुए. Dear students, the people of Makkah already knew that Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was kind and merciful. So this is why they said so, that they were not disappointed, and Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam exactly came upon their expectations by forgiving all of them. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said the same forgiving words as Prophet Yusuf alaihi salam had said to his brothers. Have no fear this day. आज के दिन मत डरो. May Allah forgive you, and He is the most merciful to those who show mercy. Most merciful, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहरबान है. Those who show mercy, जो रहम करके दिखाते हैं. He, अच्छा, H for He and M for most and merciful. These alphabets are capital Y because whenever we write something about Almighty Allah, we always write first alphabet capital. Here for giving words, students, here it's ing form, but it will be called adjective because it's qualifying words, which is noun. Okay, so Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam was a prophet of Allah Almighty, and I won't dwell in the detailed story of Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam, but he, as you know, that he Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam was one of the most beautiful prophets of Almighty Allah, and his brothers were jealous of him because of the extra favor given to him by his father. Then, out of jealousy, they threw him into the well in order to kill him. And later on, a caravan took him out of the well, and he was sent to Egypt at that time. After facing so many turmoils there, he was given authority in Egypt. And once there was a drought condition and his brothers visited Egypt, Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam recognized them and forgave them. The story of Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam tells us that tolerance was the virtue of all the prophets of Allah Almighty, and our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam at that moment carried the legacy of other prophets by forgiving the people of Makkah. And definitely, as he was the last prophet of Allah, so in order to set an example for the coming Muslims or for the coming generation, he had to do so. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, fine. This one is done. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam even forgave Abu Sufyan and his wife, who were the worst enemies of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Islam. Worst enemies, badtareen dushman. Here, students, his wife Abu Sufyan and his wife were the worst enemies. Hinda was the name of the wife of Abu Sufyan, and she exhibited brutal attitude on the occasion of war of Uhud towards Hazrat Hamza Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha, who was the uncle of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Yet she was forgiven by Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam on that day. She was greatly afraid that she will be given punishment by Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and she was escaping. But yet Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, as he was the model of tolerance, so he forgave both of them. He plotted many times against the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Plotted mean साजिश करना, और planned secretly, usually something illegal. साजिश की बहुत मर्तबा उन्होंने against the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam never did so. उन्होंने कभी भी ऐसा नहीं किया. So this was the last paragraph. Here I am ending